Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that this truck has to offer. Now this specific Ram Rebel, we did do a little bit of accessorizing too as we come around the driver's side of the truck here. We did put a set of fuel rims and upgraded tires on there. It also is equipped with a leveling kit as well, so a few great accessories packed into this specific Rebel option. You can see in the back here you do have your backup camera equipped on the unit, as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper as well. You do have your tonneau cover equipped on the truck, so another great accessory that allows you to keep all your kind of gear stored away safely in the box of the truck. You also do have a set of running boards, so again, another great accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Just to check out some of the features inside, so the truck itself is in the crew cab style, which means you get plenty of interior space, both front and back seat. As you can see in that back seat, there is a decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You have your rubber floor mats included as well, both front and back. The seats themselves are a leather seat. Again, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up top, you do have your dual-pane sunroof. And in that back seat as well, you do have a few media ports back there. Again, just kind of help keep your passengers' devices charged up well on the go. Up front, you can see you do have your 12-inch touchscreen display, so very user-friendly interface on this touchscreen. A lot of great features packed in here, so you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there. Your climate controls are also accessible in through here as well, so you do have your heated front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Just some of the apps that are included on the truck, your navigation option, Bluetooth, and you can toggle your backup camera on and off there as well. To either side of the screen, again, you have access to your basic climate controls, audio media controls. In below that, your trailer brake. You can toggle your park or sense features on and off as well, your media ports. In through your center console area, there's plenty of space in there to, again, store things kind of away while on the go and keep them organized. You do have your push button start included on the truck, as you can see in behind there. Your key fob for the unit right here, so you do have remote start. So again, another great feature included, especially now that winter's here, that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mount control, so you have access to all your cruise control options in on there. Bluetooth, Uconnect capability in on the left-hand side. In behind the steering wheel, you do have access to your audio media controls, so you can easily stay connected while on the go while keeping your hands safely on the wheel. But you can see this Ram 1500 has a great blend of features with the custom accessories that we added onto the truck as well. It's got a great look to it. If you have any other questions about this unit, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999.